Welcome to aminacademy.com. In trigonometric expansion, let us discuss about some results on expansion of cos n theta and sin n theta. Now, we discussed before. Now, write the result. Cos n theta equal cos power n theta minus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into cos power n minus 2 theta sin square theta, like it goes on. Similarly, sin n theta equal n into cos n minus 1 cos n minus 1 theta sin theta minus n into n minus 1 n minus 2 by 3 factorial cos n minus 3 theta into sin cube theta. Then terms are increasing. Here note the point, the terms are alternatively changes the sign. Look at here. Here the first is cos n theta is positive starting, cos n theta minus n into n minus 1 2 factorial cos n minus 2 theta sin square theta. Then next is plus n into n minus 1 n minus 2 by 3 factorial cos power n minus 4 theta sin power 4 theta. It's increasing like this. Similarly, in sin n theta also signs are changing. Then second note, each series continues till one of the factors in the numerator is 0 and then ceases. That means here even cos n theta sin n theta, both it comes, the terms are cos and sin comes. Here out of them one term ceases. At the end, one of the cos or sin ceases. Ceases means it's finished, come to end. Then third note, the sum of the powers of cos theta and sin theta is equal to is n. Here the sum of powers of cos theta and sin theta in each term is n. Look at this for expansion of, for example, expansion of cos n theta. Here n power is n. Here this power is n minus 2 cos of n minus 2. Here sin square theta. That means both addition is n. Like this, every terms becomes the addition of powers of cos and sin terms is always n. Even in sin and theta expansion, the sum of terms power of the terms of cos and sin is always n. Then fourth note, both the series are descending powers are of cos theta and ascending powers of sin theta. Here cos theta descending powers of cos theta descending powers of cos theta and of cos theta and ascending powers of sin theta is proceeded. Now look at here. Suppose cos n theta expansion power first is cos power n, next is cos power n minus 2, next is cos power n minus 4, like at same time sin square sin power 4 it increases, like in sin n theta also, like here cos is decreasing powers, cos n minus 1 n minus 3, like sin is increasing powers. And now further, suppose here sin n theta over sin theta, that means in powers of expansion of sin n theta, look at this here, n into cos power n minus 1 theta into sin theta. If we divide by sin theta, which will go, the theta sin theta will go here, sin cube theta divided by sin theta, it becomes square like. So we have the expansion of sin n theta over sin theta gives n into cos power n minus 1 theta minus n into n minus 1 by into n minus 2 by 3 factorial cos of n minus 3 theta sin square theta, like it's increasing. That means finally, which is further equal, here you can say n into cos power n minus 1 theta minus n into n minus 1 n minus 2 by 3 factorial. Here cos of n minus 3 theta, instead of sin square theta we can write 1 minus cos square theta, cos square theta, suppose plus n into n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3 n minus 4 over 5 factorial into cos power n minus 5 theta into here next term is sin power 4 theta. For that we can expand sin square, that is 1 minus cos square theta the whole square, like we can express sin n theta over sin theta in terms of all in cos terms only. Then here now rest of the things we'll do in forthcoming videos we have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.